Kevin, John. Then Brad Walls, Anthony, Kevin, Kerry, and Wayne.
Just moved up 4 positions on that lap. Dennis is hot on my heels now. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at Crestwood RC Raceway for Series 2 of 4 2025. We're just on our lunch break now. We've just finished up our first 2 qualifiers and we're heading into the mains. I qualified in the A for both my classes, so we're going into a double A main. I qualified A with Truggy, better than my Buggy, and I'm qualified P6 Truggy. So we're gonna go out in the A1 and A2 Truggy mains and see if we can move up the grid and try and get on the podium. I want to show you that this is the Hobby Cane Track Star. No changes to this from when I did the unboxing and the first couple of races with it. 2200 kV. This is the TS200 speed control. It's been running well. I still have it on a 8K drive frequency, 2K brake. I'm running softening, boost, and turbo. And the thing that I have noticed about this system is that it does come off hot, definitely hotter than the Hobby Wing, and it uses a little bit more power. So typically if I do a 10-minute run, it would come off at like 3.9 volts per cell. This one's coming off at 3.6 volts per cell. So I have all of the protective systems turned off, the like. So it's a good system, but it runs a little bit hotter and has a little bit less features than the high-end Hobby Wing. We're gonna go out and see if we can move up the grid in E-Truggy. This is also the 3rd weekend in a row that I'm racing. I was here for the Canada Day race, and then I camped for a week, and then I made my way to Otterville Nitro Blast for that 4-day race. And then I went home and I worked for a couple days, and now I'm back at Crestwood again for this weekend Series 2 race. Tires for this event is the same that I found that worked best at Nitro Blast. So I'm staying on a soft Reflex. So it's a J Concepts blue Reflex on Truggy, and the same on the E-Buggy. The E-Buggies are getting heavily worn though. There's a lot of the bar starting to show. I'm getting quite a low spot here now. By the time I get through the double mains on these will probably be roasted down to the point where they're not really performing well anymore. But for right now, they're actually performing quite well, as long as you stay out of the dust. These ones have a bit more of a lug still left in them, handle the dust a little bit better. But also, we're talking about a tire on Truggy that has twice the contact patch, so it's a little hard to directly compare the 2 tires, even though they're still on the exact same compound and the same tread type. Anyway, we're gonna go out in these mains and see how we do. All right, here we go. E-Truggy A1 main, starting in P6. Let's see if we can move up the grid at all during this race. And it's so hot, I'm just gonna record my A1, get 1 race. I'll show you the stats for the double A mains. All right, we're gridding up for the A1 E-Truggy, starting in P6.
James, Kevin Nickel, that's Kevin James. Kevin Nickel pulling behind him. Then we got Brad, Kerry, and Wayne's at the back.
Works the
hip. So Brad's next. Yeah, then Kerry, and then Wayne's at the back. Thanks, Dave.
13. Every Truggy here is in
this. All right, guys, we got our marshals in place. We got Kevin in the right spot. Not looking. All right, guys, marshals ready. You guys are gonna go on the sound of the tone, okay? 10-minute Truggy A main 1. So on the sound of the tone.
Somebody kicked. A friggin' guy running cross during the tone. Being timid on the start, but otherwise you get really hooped. Lost a few positions.
Got one on the back, upside down. Thanks, Chris. All right, we're a lap in. You got Frank, Jeremy, Bert, Adriano, Brad, Dennis, Kevin, John. Then Brad Walls, Anthony, Kevin, Kerry, and Wayne.
Just moved up 4 positions on that lap. Dennis is hot on my heels now.
On the sweeper, one upside down sweeper. Okay, you're good now, Dave. Hang on, Dave, they're coming. Got one facing the hay bale at the far end.
Didn't break too much on that one. and lucking it with traffic. Sees it and party in front of me.
Race line's getting full of dust this run. Well, you have to blow it off, Nick. All right, guys, you got Frank, Jeremy, Tim, Adriano, John, Dennis, Anthony, Kevin, Brad, Claus, Brad Wall, Kevin, Wayne, and Kerry. So Frank's making his way through some traffic now on the left side of the track. Let him go on the inside. There you are. Clear track for you now, Frank. Clear track there, Jeremy, and Berkey's right behind him. Here's your top three guys going up that Reds Hill. All three of them doing the drop off right now, coming around the big sweeper, making their way down the straightaway. 1, 2, 3, right there. All the same lap, that's all for position. Wide, purple truck.
Nice move.
Stay a bit wide right here, purple truck. We got 1, 2, 3 coming on the inside of you. Thank you, sir.
This is a good battle for who knows what right here. Whoa!
Oh, 2 got it wrong. They allowed Berkey to slip up in the second, I believe. Yeah, Frank, Tim, then Jeremy. Top 3, Adriano, Dennis, John, Anthony, Kevin, Brad Claus, Kevin, James, Brad Wall, Dwayne, and Kerry. So here we go. A little bit of clean track for the leader.
Oh, I'm wide there.
Right here, Andrew, behind you, Andrew. Whoa, that's a hard one for Adriano. All right, guys, 5:20 to go on this one. Trying to see if Jeremy can catch Berkey for second. They're making their way up the left side of the track. Coming down the new step down. We got one stuck at the end of the straight. Stay wide at the end of the straight. Stay wide. Stay clear. Thank you, Kev. Oh, Jeremy. Oh, no, why they both crashed? No, come up here, grab second. We need... There, so Jeremy got by. They both crashed at the same time. All right, Frank, Jeremy, Bert, and Adriano, John, and Dennis are battling for 4, 5, and 6. There goes Dennis down the front straightaway. You got John making his way up the far left side down the new drop down stairs. Then we got Adriano coming here around the sweeper right now. And yeah, that was Adriano in fourth, now doing the double-double.
Okay, so that means I'm up in the 5 or 6 then. Not sure. Oh no! Ah! Damn!
Oh, Jeremy got it wrong and Berkey got by, I think, for position now. Nobody wants second place behind Frank. Yeah, we got Burke and then Jeremy. Just over 3 minutes. One upside down on the back straightaway. One upside down. Oh, Berkey got it wrong and Jeremy's going by on the inside. That green truck with the white wing battling with the red and white truck coming down the red drop off. Neither one of them wants second place. Got Frank just on cruise control picking his way around the track. Got some clean track ahead of you for a bit too, Frank. All right, 2:20 to go in this one. So that dropped Berkey down. Now we got Frank, Jeremy, Adriano, and Bert. They're battling for third and fourth. So that battle right down going on the back straightaway. That's for fourth, third and fourth. Oh, Adriano's looking inside on him. Oh, inside. There you go. Pulls the pass. Nice clean racing, guys. Purple truck, watch it. Thank you. That's battle for second and third. No, third and fourth. Frank and Jeremy pretty much got first and second lockdown on this one. That's a battle now coming around the sweeper. For us and oh, Berkey pulls the inside, but a little inside, outside. Slide jobs happening on each other out here. Nice dirt tracking. Oh, Berkey slamming from the top. Gather it back up. Got a minute left, guys. Got a minute left in this one. 1 minute left. Thirty seconds to go. Frank, Jeremy, Bert, Adriano, John, Dennis, Anthony, Kevin Mickle, Kevin James. Then it goes down to Brad Claus, Wayne, Brad Walls, and Kerry.
Careful.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're going, guys. I'll tell you when you're done. Keep going. So you got Berkey's done. Adriano's done.
All right.
Everybody be
cross the
done
line.
once we hit the line here.
I think that was a fifth, maybe?
John's done.
I don't know, fourth or fifth.
Kevin's done. Kevin James. Frank's done. There's Wayne.
All right. Good job, Adriano. Third?
All right, just waiting on.
Good job,
There's
guys.
Dennis. Just need Kevin and Brad. All right, everybody's done. Frank took that one.
Frank, nice.
22-10-16. Jeremy 22-10-25.
Jeremy.
Berkey third.
Oh, Berkey, then Adriano.
Four, John,
So I'm
Kevin,
fifth. Adriano 4, John 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll see if we can do better in A2. And then I'll show you the stats. All right, just finished up here at Crestwood RC Raceway. I ran my double mains in E-Truggy. This is with the Trackstar system. And I came in overall 6th. So it was Frank, Tim, Jeremy, Adriano, Dennis, and then myself. Dennis and I tied for points. Dennis beat me on race time with a 21 and 10:01, and I did a 21 and 10:21. For some reason, it's not showing both races. But anyway, that's how it's coming up in AMAIN results. So I'll finish up Series 2 from Crestwood. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.